Hello, friends, and welcome to Parks Crafty Creations. I'm your host, Brian Parks. I love sharing fun and easy sewing projects, and today we're going to dive into one that's perfect for all skill levels, from beginners still learning the basics to the advanced sewist looking to make use of that bin full of scraps. Join me as we make these super simple and adorable pocket tissue holders. Hey there, crafty friends! Before we dive in, if you enjoy this content, be sure to give us a like below, as it really does help out the channel. Do it now, please! And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell icon so you'll always be notified whenever a new video drops. And if you love what we do here, be sure to share this channel with your friends. Now that we've got the housekeeping out of the way, let's get started. This is a great beginner project, a perfect scrap buster, and it makes a great gift. So let's not waste any more time. Let's grab our supplies and get started. For this project, you'll need 2 pieces of fabric. The fabric of the outside of your tissue holder measuring 6.5 inches wide by 5 3/4 inches tall, and your lining fabric measuring 7 3/4 inches wide by 5 3/4 inches tall. Matching thread, fabric scissors or a rotary cutter, pins or clips, fabric marker, an iron, and of course, your sewing machine. The loop and clip is optional, but if you would like to add a clip to your tissue holder, you'll need one of those too. First, take your 2 fabric pieces and place them right sides together, meaning the pretty sides should be facing each other. Line up the edges neatly and pin or clip them in place. Now let's sew down the edges using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Sew along the 2 short sides only. Leave the long edges open. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and end to secure your stitches. You'll notice your lining fabric will be bigger. Time to turn our fabric right side out. Just push the fabric through one of the open sides and use your fingers to smooth out the edges. Press your seams towards the outer edges for a nice, crisp look. This next part is optional, but if you would like to add a clip, measure a piece of fabric 4 times the width of your clip. In my case, my clip is 1 inch wide, so I cut a piece of fabric 4 inches wide. Now fold it in half and press. Then open the fabric again and fold one edge to the center fold and press. Now do the same for the other side. Now fold both sides to the center, and fold the whole thing in half again, so the raw edges are trapped inside. Now take it to your sewing machine and sew close to the edges on both sides to make your strap. Now we'll create the opening for our tissues. Fold your tissue holder in half, so the 2 edges meet. Then fold each short edge towards the center, overlapping them slightly. If you made a strap or a clip for your tissue holder, add it here with the raw edges hanging out, and the clip or strap inside of your folds. Now clip or pin these edges in place. Now we're going to sew both short edges using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. This will secure the folds. You can use an overcast foot or zigzag stitch the raw edges. We're on to the home stretch. Let's add some boxed corners for a crisp, professional look. Fold each corner into a triangle. Mark 3/8 inches down from the corner point. And clip or pin into place. Now stitch along the 3/8 inch line. Repeat on all 4 corners. You can carefully clip the excess in the corners or leave them as is. I always opt to eliminate as much bulk as possible, so I snipped mine. And there you have it, a quick and easy pocket tissue holder. These are perfect for keeping in your bag, gifting to friends, and they're great for selling at craft fairs. Remember, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more fun sewing projects. And don't forget to ring that notification bell icon so you'll always be notified whenever a new video drops. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to sew next. Thanks for watching. I'm Brian Parks for Parks Crafty Creations. We'll see you next time.